The greenest pastures of London await at IQ the Arcade student residence. With every passing year, it gets richer and brighter with the success and joy of students who make their mark on London, laying the first brick of their independent lives at IQ the Arcade. Standing proudly on Holloway Road, this vibrant residence offers comfortable private and shared spaces, with a vivid ambience to about 300 young students singing warm praises of the residence. The bedrooms are clean with an air of privacy. A soft bed is placed just by the study table, so students can stretch their backs every once in a while. The chest drawers are a dark hardwood hue, while a spacious wardrobe is nestled in comforting ivory white. The room has a wash basin with a mirror and cabinets for toiletries for unhinged access to clean water, even in shared spaces. The kitchen with its refrigerator, oven, microwave, and cooktops completes the bouquet of amenities to share a jolly Christmas pudding and sing carols into the night. The excellent connectivity around the building is popular with students of the London Metropolitan University or those sauntering in small huddles to the City and Islington College. Midweek grocery runs are more common than you think. The Iceland supermarket on Holloway comes to the rescue for emergencies. For the monthly supply of refreshments, you better visit the Hazard supermarket, only a 3-minute drive away. Saturday nights at the Holloway Hercules are for the bread and gravy and meat to accentuate the beer or wine matched to your taste. The succulent lamb roast at Tagin to go might be just the sumptuous meal that reminds you of the fragrances back home. IQ the Arcade awaits your arrival. It embraces all your hesitations and gives you the first thing you need in a new land, a place to call home. Explore the warm glow of this domestic abode and book now at amberstudent.com.